Okay. So guys, today we are discussing the inter-VLAN routing. Now, the thing is, what do you mean by inter-VLAN routing? Inter-VLAN routing means, guys, who can define the inter-VLAN routing? Inter-VLAN routing means we can make communication possible between the different
Different
VLAN.
VLAN.
That is called inter-VLAN
VLAN.
routing. Clear? Are tell me yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Now the thing is why we need inter-VLAN routing. See here, I am showing you one scenario. See the scenario. This is the lab. Let's suppose this is the HR department, this is the IT department, and this is the, let's suppose, sales department. So these are the three departments. Okay, everyone. So these three departments are connected with this switch. This is the access layer switch, and through this switch, all the three departments are connected like this. Anyone, any doubt? It's clear to all of you?
Yes.
Now,
Yes.
we have another access layer switch, and there are again three departments: sales, IT, and HR. Okay, everyone. So these three departments are sitting there also, and both this switch and this switch are already connected with this link. Are you clear now, everyone? Yes or no? Yes. So let's suppose if you this belongs to VLAN number 10, 20, and 30, and this also, because all the HR department belongs to VLAN number 10, 10, 20, and 30. Any doubt, everyone? It's clear. Now the thing is, let's suppose if this PC number 1, who is from HR department, wants to communicate with this one, can he communicate? By default, answer is no.
No.
What's the reason? What is the reason?
Because of the different VLAN switch.
Yes, both are in the different VLAN. Very good. Now, let's suppose if we have a scenario like this, I'm giving you one more scenario. For example, see, I hope this is visible to all of you. This is the sales. This is the finance. Okay. So sales, what is the IP address? 192.168.10.2. Are you tell me yes or no? Yes, na? And here,
Yes.
192.168.20.2. It means just tell me one thing. Both PC are in the same network or different network?
Different network.
Different.
network. So if both are in the different network, and let's suppose this belongs to VLAN number 10 and this belongs to VLAN number 20. And let's suppose we have a scenario like this. Can both PC communicate with each other by default? Answer is no. Why?
No.
Because both are in the different VLAN. Are you getting my point? Yes or no? Yes, na?
Yes.
But
Yes.
try to understand in real scenarios, generally we want as a network admin, this is the responsibility of network admin to make reachable. Yes or no? Are you tell me?
Yes.
It is the responsibility of network engineer to make everyone reachable.
Table.
Yes, na? So
Yes.
what you have to do? You have to perform here inter-VLAN routing. What you have to do? You have to perform here inter-VLAN routing. And I told you there are two ways by which you can perform the inter-VLAN routing. The first one, either you can use one router, any layer 3 device. Are you getting my point? Yes or no? Yes. And second
Yes.
method is, instead of configuring any other router, you can use any layer 3 switch. Are you clear? Yes or no? Yes, na?
Yes.
Okay. Now the thing is how we can make communication possible. How we can make communication possible. See here. I hope my screen is visible to all of you.
Yes.
Okay. See, why inter-VLAN routing is needed? Device in the different VLAN cannot communicate directly with each other, right? And to separate the broadcast domain, right now? So that's the reason we need a inter-VLAN routing. Now the thing is how inter-VLAN routing works. So inter-VLAN routing involves the use of any router or any layer 3 switches, right now, to pass the different traffic of the different VLAN, right? By the help of layer 2 switch. Layer 2 switch cannot forward your different VLAN traffic. Yes, na, everyone? Are you tell me? Yes. The router or layer 3 switch need have interface. Yes, one thing please remember, logical. Logical means if you use the router, for example, the name of this interface is fast Ethernet 0x0. It means this interface is physically available. Yes or no? Tell me.
Yes. Yes.
This interface is physically available. Try to understand what I'm trying to say. Let's suppose I pick one router here and I connect one PC here like this. It means this one gig 0x0 is the physical interface. Yes or no, everyone? Yes,
Yes.
nah? This is the physical interface. But let's suppose if there are two different PC and two different PC are in different VLAN. So in this case, to make communication possible between these two PC, you need a separate interface for each VLAN. Yes or no? Yes, nah? Okay. Now the thing is, on a router, how we can create the separate interface for each VLAN. Try to understand what I'm trying to say. If you do not understand, it will be difficult for you guys. Okay, I am deleting it first. What I am giving you, the scenario is, see, I implement one switch and I have one more PC here. One more PC here. Now the thing is, it's visible now, everyone.
Yes.
See if we have this type of thing. So it means, let's suppose this is VLAN number 10 and this is VLAN number 20. But both VLAN can communicate only and only through the router. Yes or no? Yes, no?
Yes.
And
Yes,
here
sure.
by default, how many physical interfaces is there? Only one
One.
physical interface is there. And you know, through one physical interface, only one VLAN traffic can exchange. Yes or no? Either you can exchange VLAN 10 or either you can exchange VLAN 20. Both
20.
traffic you can't exchange through this interface. Getting my point?
Yes.
Tell me yes or no. Yes, na? So
Yes.
in this case, to solve this problem, na, what we have to do, we have to create two logical interface on this router. What? Two logical interface on this router. Okay. Logical, you can either you can say logical interface or either you can say virtual interface. Are you
Sub
getting my point?
interfaces.
Yeah, sub interface.
Yes. Sub interface.
So, for example, this is VLAN number 10 and this is VLAN number 20. And here gig 0x0 is the physical interface. What I will do, I will create here gig 0x0 dot. Here you can write any value. But what we are recommending, please create the sub interface according to your VLAN. According to your VLAN. So here, what is the VLAN number, guys? 10. What is the VLAN number? 10. So I will create gig 0x0 dot 10. So by the help of this one, I can understand dot 10. It means this is VLAN number 10. Are you getting my point? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You can write here any
Yes.
number. There is no problem. But we are suggesting always write the number according to your VLAN. Clear? And here I will create gig 0x0 dot 20.
20.
So now for this PC, let's suppose IP address is 10.1 and here IP address is 20.1. Are you getting my point? Yes or no?
Yes.
Na?
Yes, sir.
We created how many sub interface? Two sub interface. After creating two sub interface, you have to assign the IP address. You have to assign the IP address also, right? Na? So I created here dot 10. It means this interface is for VLAN number 10 and this interface is for VLAN number 20. Yes, na? Are tell me.
Yes.
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 It means this sub interface I created for VLAN number 10 and this sub interface I created for VLAN number 20. Clear? Now, after that, you have to assign the IP address. Just tell me one thing. Here on this interface, you guys will assign the IP address from This network or this network? Who can tell me?
Network 10.
Network.
10.
Network 10, exactly, because you are configuring for VLAN number 10, right? And PC number 0 is part of VLAN number 10. On PC number 0, you are using the 10th network, so you have to assign the 10th network IP address. Are you clear? Yes or no?
Yes.
For example,
Yes.
here I create configure 10.10 and here I will configure, let's suppose 20.20. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Now,
Yes, sir.
there is one interview question. Can I ask? Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The question is, what is the default gateway for PC number 0?
10.10.
Are you sure?
10.10.
Yes, sir.
Let's suppose here I configure 30.1.
IP address of the sub interface.
Sub interface.
Scenario is changed. I am telling here I configure 10.10, here I configure 20.20, and here I configure 30.1. Now tell me what is the default gateway for PC number 0?
10.10 only.
10.10.
Exactly.
Yes, it cannot communicate other VLAN or other network. It can communicate through same network only.
Anyone is telling 30.1 also?
Yeah, sir, but I'm not sure.
Yes, Rahul. 30.1.
I think so, but I'm not that sure, sir.
Okay. You are telling you think so. Why you think it like this? First of all,
It
tell
is
me one thing.
physically
First
connected,
of
sir.
all, just tell me one thing. Okay, ignore all the things. First of all, tell me one thing. This is the router.
Yeah.
This is the interface. Are you tell me yes or no? This is the interface and this is the interface. How many interfaces are there?
3
Three.
interface.
3. It means I told you in the first or second classes, every interface of a router is in the same network or different network?
Different network. Different.
Different network. Are you tell me yes or no? Yes?
Yes.
Different network. Okay. So here I can configure 10, here I can configure 20, and here I can configure 30. There is no problem. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes? Okay. But see, there is switch. There are two PC. PC1, PC2. Here I configure 10.1 and here I configure 10.2. Is it possible? Not possible. Are you tell me? For
Yes,
this
sir.
router, this is the LAN network. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
For this router, this is the LAN network. And one LAN network should be in the same network. Na? Either you can configure here complete 10, either you can configure here complete 20, or either you can configure here complete 30.
30.
Why you are configuring like this 10, 20, and 30? It is not possible.
Possible.
Are you getting my point? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
It is not possible. So that's the reason. What is the best thing? Here you do not need to configure the even IP address because you already created the sub interface. Here you do not need to configure the any IP address. You just need to write no sut. That's all.
Shut down.
You do not need to configure any IP address. Are you getting my point? Everyone, yes or no? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now
Yes.
the thing
Yes.
is,
Sure.
this is our LAN network. And in this LAN network, again, you guys have question, sir, here you configure 10.1 and here you configure 20.1. It means both are in same network or different network?
Different broadcast.
Different network. And this is the LAN network, right? And if this is the
Yes.
LAN network, then why both are in the different network?
Network.
But again, I want to tell you, bro, these two PC are in the different VLAN.
VLAN.
Different VLAN, because different VLAN means at layer number 2. At layer number 2, it's already segmented. Yeah. Divided na both. You configure the VLAN, it means you are just entering the
Network.
this PC number 1 below, and this PC number 2 is part of another domain right now. Right? Because we already configure the VLAN on the switch. Are you tell me yes or no? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now it means the basis of layer number 2 we already divided these things. Now come on at layer number 3. At layer number 3 we can divide only and only when you configure the different network. Yes or no? Yes. So
Yes.
I configure here 10.1 and I configure here 20.1. It means both PC is a part of different network. So it means we already segmented the broadcast domain here at layer number 3 also. But the problem is if you have a only switch, you can't make communication possible here. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So that's the reason to make communication possible here. You need any layer 3 device that is called router. And the whole process is called inter-VLAN routing. Understand everyone? Anyone who do not understand? It's clear?
Yes.
Yes,
So
sir.
I hope you guys understand. See, this is the topology, and here you need to configure the two sub interface, and then after we can make communication possible. Okay, now the thing is actually how we can create the sub interface like this. Okay, and this is called, guys, I told you na, this is called router on a stick
Router on
also.
a stick.
In some book you guys will get
Router on
router on a stick. Okay na, so this is the meaning of router on a stick. Are you clear? Yes or no? Yes na?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now let's configure this topology. Okay, so here I configure what? Yes, one more thing. At that time I asked you this question, default gateway. So what is the default gateway for this PC, guys? I told you na 10.1 and 10.10. So this is 10.10 is the default gateway. Right?
10.10.
And here 20.1 and here 20.10. So for this PC 20.10,
20.10.
this is the default gateway. Clear na? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what is the scenario? 192.168.10.1. Okay. So we are using 192.168.10.0/24. This is our network. Okay. 192.168.10.1. I am going to configure this one at PC number 0, 192.168.10.10. This will be our router sub interface. Then what will be
Which
the
way?
default gateway? Default gateway will be same, na? 192.168.10.10. Yes or no?
Yes.
Tell me. Yes. Here I am configured 10.1. Here I will configure on sub interface 10.10. Default gateway will be this one, and here we are using this network. Yes or no? Clear na?
Yes.
Now 192.168.20.1. 20.1. Then 20.10. Okay, and then default gateway will be, guys, 20.10
Then
10.
and 20.0/24. This will be our network ID. So 20.1 here, default gateway is 20.10, and here I will configure 20.10, and this will be the network. This is visible, na, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Now, on switch, guys, we will configure how many VLAN? We will configure VLAN number 10,
So
and this is the cells. Okay. And we will configure VLAN number 20, and this is the IT. This is the VLAN number 10, and this will be the VLAN number 20. Clear na? Are you tell me?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
One more thing. This is the interview question. One interview question I already asked you. What is the default gateway for PC number 0 and 7? Right? Everyone? Yes, na?
Yes.
Second interview question is, let's suppose I configure the complete scenario like this. But let's suppose if I want to ping here to here, what will be the packet flow? Packet reach on the switch? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. And let's suppose this is the ARP packet. What? ARP packet. Because this PC don't know now what is the MAC address of PC number 7. Yes or no? Yes.
Yes.
So it will generate the ARP packet. This packet is the broadcast packet. I hope everyone knows, right? Okay.
Yes.
This packet reach on the switch. I already created two VLAN. This interface is the part of VLAN number 10 and this interface is the part of VLAN number 20. Now, once switch receive, what switch will do? I told you switch perform three tasks. Listening, learning, then forwarding.
Forwarding.
Okay. So first of all, listening. Switch, listen this ARP packet, right? After listen, switch, learn the thing. Learn
MAC
means
address.
switch, open the packet, check what is the source MAC address, and make an entry in which table? MAC address table. It means on fast Ethernet 0/2, I am receiving the MAC address, let's suppose 0A. It means listening done, learning done. After that, forwarding. Forwarding means before forwarding, this switch check what is the destination MAC address. Destination MAC address is FFF. It means this is the broadcast. Can you tell me yes or no? Yes, na?
Yes.
If this is the broadcast, it means this switch forward this ARP packet through here and here. Yes or no?
Yes.
But before forward, switch will check the VLAN also. What guys? VLAN also. It means switch will check I received this ARP packet on which interface? This interface. And this interface is the part of which VLAN? VLAN number 10. It means I have to forward this broadcast packet through all the interface which is a part of VLAN number 10.
Then, yeah.
Or no? Yes?
Yes.
Yes.
Tell me, this interface is a part of which VLAN?
20.
20. It means this switch is not going to forward your ARP packet here. Yes or no? Yes. And I do not configure any VLAN here. It means I do not configure. It means this is by default part of VLAN number 1.
1. Yes.
It means this switch is not going to forward your packet here also. Yes or no? Tell me.
Yes.
Agree? Tell me yes or no. Agree, na?
Yes.
It means we have to do anything more here. Something more. Okay. Till now, anyone have any problem? I hope till now what I told you, everyone understand. Tell me. Understand?
Sir, how many MAC table switch have? Is it according to the VLANs?
Normally switch.
Normally switch have one table, one MAC address table.
Yes.
So is it divided according to the VLAN?
No. If you remember in the first or second class, I show you the MAC address table. In MAC address table,
Yes.
VLAN information already there.
Yes.
Okay. So let's configure it first, guys. So here, what is 192.168.10.1? Clear? What is the default gateway, guys?
10.10.
10.10.
Everyone, please watch the configuration. If anything wrong, please let me know. Okay, now. So here I am going to configure what, guys? 20.1.
1.
Right? So 20.1 and default gateway will be, guys, 20.10.
20.10.
So on PC we did. Now come on here on switch. So on switch, what we have to do? We have to configure two VLAN first, right now.
Yes.
VLAN number 10.
10.
Name is
Sales.
Exit. VLAN number 20. Name is ID. Exit. Right now, I do not move any interface. What is the command? Interface, fast Ethernet, 0 by
0 by 2.
2. Switch port, mode,
More
access.
access.
Switch port,
Switch port.
tell me the command.
Access.
Switch port,
Switch
access,
port. Access VLAN 10.
VLAN
VLAN
10.
10.
I told you na, when you move the VLAN, your interface goes down. After 30 seconds, it will up. Okay.
Up.
Now, interface, fast Ethernet, 0 by
0/3.
3.
3.
Switch port,
Switch port.
mode,
Mode.
access.
Access.
Switch port,
Switch
access,
access.
VLAN
VLAN
20. Exit. What is the command to check, guys? So,
So VLAN
VLAN
database.
3. So, it means VLAN number 10 is created, VLAN number 20 is created, and these two interface is a part of VLAN number 10. Right na? Yes or no? So,
Yes.
VLAN ID 10. This is the command also. If you want to check any particular VLAN in a detailed way, what is the command? So, VLAN ID then 10.
10.
So, see na, VLAN number 10, name is sales, status is active. What is
Active.
the port? 0 by 2.
2.
What is the port? 0 by
0 by
2.
2.
Are you clear na everyone? Yes or no? Similarly, you can
Yes.
check for VLAN number 20. Understand? Yes or no? Clear na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So on switch we did. Now, after switch, you have to configure on router. Yes or no? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
On
Switch start
router.
interface also need to configure.
Sorry, switch.
Hard interface.
Ah, yes. Okay. We will discuss later. First of all, I want to show you the problem. Okay. Okay. What I need to do, guys, first of all, you have to configure the sub interface. Yes or no? Are tell me.
Yes.
Yes.
What is the command to sub interface? Anyone? Any idea?
Interface number
0 by
dot
0 dot 1.
VLAN
Dot
ID.
10. That is the VLAN.
Done? Sure? Okay. Interface
Interface gigabit
big
0
0
slash
by 0 dot,
Dot
for
10.
example, for VLAN number 10. Done.
enter.
Now we are in which mode? We are inside the sub interface. Yes or no? Everyone.
Yes.
Tell
Yes.
me. Yes, na? Now, after that, you need to configure one more command here. Try to understand why I am telling you this one. For example, this PC send the packet reach here. This PC also send the packet reach here. It means this packet belongs to VLAN number 10 and this packet belongs to VLAN number 20.
20.
Now the problem is how switch will understand the thing. Are you getting my point? Yes or no?
Yes.
Understand? Try to understand what I'm trying to say. When this
फिर
packet
गए
send the packet here, so router receive this packet on gig 0 by 0. Yes or no? Yes.
Yes.
yes
Yes.
That router needs to forward this packet either towards this interface or either towards this
This
interface. But
Yes.
router cannot send the packet in a plain form. It means router must need to encapsulate, or you can say perform the tagging. Are you getting my point? Yes or no?
yes
So the thing is, when
Yes.
router forward the packet towards here, router add the VLAN number 10 tag here inside the packet. Router add the VLAN tag, okay, inside the packet. And when router forward this packet here, router add the VLAN tag 20. Are you getting my point, everyone? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
yes
Yes.
But router do not do these things automatically. You need to configure this one. You need to configure the encapsulation proto. I told you in the first or second class, in a networking, nothing is happening automatically, guys. There will be a protocol. Yes or no? Yes.
yes
So router will tag the thing, tag the VLAN ID. Then after router will forward either towards here or either towards here because of the
Tagging.
Tell me, encapsulation protocol. Why? Because of the encapsulation protocol. Tell me, yes, na?
Yes.
You need to configure the encapsulation protocol here on the router. Okay. So what is the encapsulation protocol? Command is, guys, encapsulation. Then I press the question mark. What
Dot
is?
one
It
Q.
supports the dot one queue. So dot one queue. And after that, I again press the
VLAN.
question mark. What is this? You need to
VLAN.
mention the VLAN ID.
VLAN
It means
ID.
you need to tell router. You need to perform the tagging here for this sub interface. For which VLAN? VLAN number 10. If gig 0x0.10, this sub interface is a part of which VLAN? VLAN number 10, na? So you need to configure right here VLAN number 10. Anyone? Any doubt? Tell me. Understand?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Sir, it will encapsulate the packet of that.
Yes,
10
the packet
tag.
when reach, it will just tag the packet and forward this towards the gig 0x0.10. Gig 0x0.10. And after that, guys, you have to write one more command that is called no shutdown. Done, everyone. Anyone who do not understand?
IP
So is
number.
it not enough to do put this command no shut on the main interface instead of sub interface?
Yes, generally we are running.
And if
So
you
it will
not
enable sub
mention any
interface also.
cancellation,
Anyone telling something? Just
sir,
wait till a minute.
I'm
Let me
asking
check this
if you
command is
not mention
working.
dot one
Just
Q.
give me a minute. Give me a minute.
Yeah,
So
sure.
running configuration.
Interface.
Packet tracer is not taking this command. Either you can run this command for running configuration interface gig 0x0.10. Then you guys will able to see all the configuration what we configured on gig 0x0.10. Clear, everyone?
Yes.
Tell me. Clear, na?
Yes, sir.
If I run sirf no running configuration here, you guys will get all the configuration. See na? Encapsulation dot one Q, and then is there any IP address?
No.
No.
No IP address. So till now, what we configure?
Encapsulation and
Encapsulation.
Guys, till now I just create the sub interface, right? And I define the encapsulation protocol. Yes, na? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But what you need to do, you need to configure the sub interface in step number 1. In step number 2, you need to define the encapsulation. In step number 3, you need to configure the IP address. In step number 4, you need to write the no shut command. Clear? Everyone, tell me.
Yes.
Yes.
Understand? Yes or no? Okay. What I can say. Are you guys able to see my notepad now? Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
So in step number 1, I will share this one with you. Okay, now. In step number 1, what you need to do, you need to configure router config interface gig 0x0, right? Na? 0x0.10. Yes or no? Yes.
Yes, sir.
In step number 2, what you need to do? Step number 2, you have to configure the encapsulation. Okay. So this one, sub interface encapsulation dot one Q. Then VLAN ID that is called 10. Yes, na? Tell me. In step number 3, what you need to do? You need to configure the IP address.
IP
Yes,
address.
na? So what is the IP address? 192.168.10.10. Yes, na? This is na IP address.
Yes.
Okay. And
Subnet
then
mask.
subnet mask I already defined, na?
Yes.
Then guys,
No
no
shut.
shut. Clear? I will share this configuration with you. Clear na everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Same thing, you have to configure same configuration. You have to configure for other sub interface. Tell me yes, na? Only you need to
Yes.
change the IP address. Clear? And this one, gig 0/0.20. Clear na everyone? Tell me. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now come on this router. What is the command? Interface gig 0/0.10. This is the interface, right? Here we need to define IP address. What is the IP address? 192.168.10.10.
1.10.
255.
How can you check? Show. Tell me. So IP interface brief. See na? On gig 0/0.10. What is the IP address?
10.10.
10.10. Are clear na everyone? Okay.
Yes. Administrative.
Interface gig 0/0.20. What is the command first of all in step number 1?
IP address.
IP address.
Step number 1 finish.
Interface.
Encapsulation.
Encapsulation. Encapsulation dot 1Q for VLAN number 20. IP address 192.168.20.10. 255.255.255.0
0.
and no shutdown. Clear na? Yes or no? So
Yes.
IP interface brief. IP address is configured. Then
Yes.
tell me. And I told you interface gig 0/0. Here you need to write only no shut. Yes na?
Yes, sir.
On interface gig 0/0 you need to write only no shutdown command. Done? Everyone tell me.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now the thing is I configure everything here. Yes or no? Tell me. Okay. I am on this PC. Command prompt. What is the command to check the ARP table on PC, guys? I think this one, right? Now, no ARP entry there, right? Tell me. On PC
Yes.
number 0, there is no entry in the ARP table. It means PC number 0 don't know what is the MAC address of PC number 7. Yes or no? Everyone?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. I am writing ping. What is the IP address? 192.168.20.1. Any doubt? Everyone?
No.
No doubt. Anyone? If anyone had any doubt, please let me know. Okay. Done. Now it generates 2 packets. I think these things you guys already know. The first one is, guys, ARP packet, right? And second one is ICMP packet. This ICMP packet is not completely encapsulated. So that's the reason this packet is on hold. Right now? Tell me. Okay. So this generates the ARP packet. This ARP packet, see, what is this? What is the thing? I hope you guys already understand the content. The destination is FFF. It means this is the broadcast. Yes, na? Okay. Source MAC is this one. It means this is the MAC address of this PC.
PC 0.
41DE. Yes, na? Tell me.
Yes.
Okay. Target MAC for this PC don't know what is the MAC address of this one. So target MAC is unknown. Tell me. Yes, na? Okay.
Yes.
So now this PC generate this ARP packet reach on switch. What switch will do? This is the broadcast packet, na? Yes or no?
Yes.
This is the
Yes.
inbound packet. Do you guys able to see here outbound?
Yes.
No.
No. Why? Packet gayab. Where is the packet? Packet gone.
Drop.
It means what is the problem?
In which in which interface should be broadcasted?
Okay.
You don't.
See
Yeah.
here the rule. When a switch receive any broadcast packet, switch will forward that packet towards first all the interface which is part of that VLAN. Yes, everyone. Tell me.
Yes.
Switch will forward that packet through all the interface which is a part of that VLAN. Second one, through trunk port.
Trunk port.
Through the trunk port. Guys, this is the VLAN number 10. This is the VLAN number 20. Tell me yes or no. Yes, na?
Yes.
Yes.
And I do not configure anything here. It means this is the part of VLAN number 1.
1.
And by default, this is the access
Access
mode switch.
port.
Access port. Yes or no? Yes.
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 So that's the reason when packet will reach switch, where switch will forward. Getting my point? I hope you guys understand, everyone.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
What is the interface? Fast Ethernet 0 by 1. So, interface fast Ethernet 0 by 1 and writing switch port. What I write? Switch port. Everyone, please see the command. What I write? So, interface
Switch
fast
port.
Ethernet 0 by 1 and then I write switch
Switch
port. See na, what is the mode? Access. This is the
Yes.
access port. This is the access port. Are you getting my point? Yes or no? Understand?
Yes.
Now, what you need to do?
Change
to
the
configure
port to
the-
trunk mode.
So you are telling what? We need to change the trunk mode. Okay, cool. No problem. Let me finish this first. Otherwise, it will take the Mac. You sent how many packet?
Oh,
4. Receive 0. It means loss
0.
100%. Now come on the switch. So it means here on fast Ethernet 0 by 1. Interface fast Ethernet 0 by 1. What you need to do, guys? Here you need to configure the trunk port. Yes or no? Are you tell me?
Yes.
Yes.
What is the command?
Switch port
Switch
mode.
port,
Port mode.
mode, trunk.
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 I configure this one. How can I check? What is the command?
So switch port.
Show interface F0 by 0.
So
Switch port.
interface fast
Switch
Ethernet
port.
0 by
0 by 1.
1. Switch port.
Switch port.
Switch port.
Yeah. Negotiation of trunking is on. What is the operational mode now?
Trunk.
Are you getting my point, everyone? Yes or no? Tell me. Clear na? Show
Yes, sir.
interface trunk. Fast Ethernet 0 by 1 is the part of trunk.
Trunk.
Tell me what trunk status is trunking, and all the VLAN is allowed. By default, I told you na, all the VLAN is allowed.
Out.
Now what will happen? See here, come here. Again I am writing ping 192.168.20.1. Again ARP packet. This is the ARP packet. Yes or no? Are you tell me?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes na? See, this is the ARP packet. Destination is FFF.
FFF.
Previously, you guys are not able to see outbound.
Outbound.
Yes.
Now, you guys
Now
are
you
able
can
to
see.
see outbound. Is there any change? Everyone, please see very carefully. Is there any change? See, this is the inbound. First of all, everyone, Please see very carefully. This is the layer number 2. Yes, na? And this is the ARP. Yes? And tell me.
Yes.
Okay. In target IP means this is the destination IP address. This is
IP
fine.
address.
Target MAC means MAC address of destination. But this
Yes, sir.
PC don't know. It means this is unknown. So that is 000. Source IP is 10.1. There is no problem. Source MAC is this one. It means this is the PC number 1 MAC address. Clear na? This is the opcode. Leave it. 0x0800. Okay. Now, what is the source MAC? This is the PC number 1 MAC address, right? Na? Sender MAC address.
Yes.
Are you telling me?
Yes.
Yes. 0x0806. I told you na, in type field generally you guys will get two value. 0x0806. It means this is the for ARP.
ARP.
And if you are getting 0x0800, it means this is for IP.
Reply.
IP.
Clear? Now,
Okay.
what is the destination? FFF. Clear? Anyone? Any doubt till now? It's clear to all of you. Now,
Yes.
open the outbound. In outbound, what is the target MAC? Same? No change?
00.
Okay.
Yes.
Source IP, no change? Are you tell me? No change na? Source
Yes.
MAC, no change? Are you tell me? Opcode is
Yes.
this one? Okay. Okay. What is this? Okay. What is the source MAC? Source MAC is no change. Same. No problem? Are you tell me?
Yes.
Yes.
Destination is same broadcast. Right? Now, focus here.
0x8100.
TPID, TCI, and type. What is TPID, TCI, and type? Are you guys able to see? These three
Yes.
Yes.
columns are there. Okay. Let me check I mentioned here or not. I think I mentioned in the next class when I explain you the trunking part. Okay. I will explain you these things in a detail when I explain you in the trunking part. Okay, but right now just understand one thing. Focus here. I just tell you one thing, only the introduction part. This is TPID. Basically, na, by the help of this one, it is telling there is tagging. What? This field is telling what? In this packet there is
Tagging.
VLAN tagging. What happened, guys? VLAN tagging. Are you getting my point? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. TCI. TCI stands for Tag Control Identifier. What is Tag Control Identifier? And basically, na, this field is telling you this frame or this packet belongs to which VLAN? Which VLAN? Are you getting my point? Yes or no? Yes, na?
Yes.
Now tell
Yes.
me one thing. Who generate this one? PC number 0. Packet reach on here. This interface. This interface is a part of which VLAN? VLAN number 10. And this is the access port. Yes or no? Are you tell me?
Yes.
Access port. And one more thing. Please remember, access port never perform tagging. Access port never perform tagging. Who can perform tagging? Only trunk
Trunk
port.
port.
Only which port, guys? Trunk port. Clear na? Are tell me.
Yes.
Which port perform the tagging, guys? Trunk port.
Trunk port.
Right.
I think we already write the command when I write the command here. So interface fast Ethernet 0 by 1 switch
One.
port. Are you tell me yes or no? See na,
Yes.
administrative trunking encapsulation is what?
Dot one K.
Dot 1Q. It means dot 1Q is the encapsulation protocol. By default, it's working here. So it means this is the protocol is responsible for tagging.
Tagging.
But on router, when we configure, we mention manually, right? Na everyone, yes or no?
Yes.
We
Yes.
configure manually encapsulation protocol dot 1Q. But on switch, I normally write switch port mode trunk, and by default it
Trunk.
take dot 1Q. Basically, now why I am telling you this one? There are two protocol. There are two type of protocol which help in tagging. First one is ISL, and second
ISL.
one is dot 1Q.
Dot one K.
Dot 1Q.
Okay, we will discuss these two protocol in a detail way in our coming class, guys. I think in the next class. But These are the two different, and this is the Cisco proprietary, and this is the open. Getting my point? But right
Yes.
now, I'm just telling you, even Cisco is recommending use the
Dot
.1Q,
one Q.
not ISL. Why? We will discuss these things in our next class. Clear, everyone? Tell me. I hope you guys understand. Clear, na?
Yes, sir.
So by default, encapsulation protocol is .1Q. So that's the reason. That's the reason VLAN tag is there. And please remember, VLAN tag always happen on which interface? Trunk, not
Trunk.
access. Clear? Everyone, tell me.
Yes.
Okay. Now the point is, you guys are able to see this tag. Yes, na? But this tag, what is this tag? Switch received this packet on which interface? This interface, and this interface is the part of VLAN number 10. So when switch is forwarding this packet through the trunk port, there should be a VLAN number 10 tag. Yes or no? Are tell me.
Yes.
Yes.
Everyone agree? Yes or no? My question
Yes,
is
sir.
this switch forward your
Yes.
packet here? No. Your switch never forward this packet here. Why? Because this interface is a part of VLAN number
20.
20.
switch always forward your packet through all the interface which is a part of either VLAN number 10 or either trunk. Are you tell me yes or no? Yes, na?
Yes,
But this
yes.
is VLAN number 20, so switch will not forward your packet through this interface. It means switch will forward through the trunk. And when your packet will go through the trunk, there must be a tagging.
Tagging.
There must be a tagging. So it means this is the tag. So guys, this is the VLAN number 10 tag, na? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, because this packet belongs to VLAN number 10.
10.
Are I agree, yes or no? Yes, na?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. This is the hexadecimal value, guys. This is the hexadecimal value. But again, this is the VLAN number 10. What is the value?
0A.
Zero 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 A.
It's visible to all of you. What
Yes.
is the value, guys? Tell me.
0
0A.
X triple 0.
0x
Triple 0 A.
000A. Convert. What is the value?
10.
10.
What is the value? 10.
10.
10.
10.
Are I understand? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Let's suppose B. Value is
11.
11.
understand na? So this is the hexadecimal value. It means this is the VLAN number 10 tag is there. Understand? This is the VLAN
Yes.
number 10. Oof. Now switch forward this packet to router. Router receive this packet on which interface? So by
0 by 0.10.
okay, now open this packet inbound and outbound. Now router receive it. See na, is there any change? In ARP there is no change. Yes na? Tell me. No change?
There is no change.
Arey dekh na, see na, no change na here. Here
Yes.
Yes.
again same thing is there, same thing, no
Yeah,
change here.
same thing there.
Is there any change? No change.
No.
Arey tell me, is there any change? No.
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 Come on outbound. In outbound, what are the
Source
things you guys
manager
are
change.
Yeah. Destination.
in outbound in inbound? What is the source IP address? 10 dot
10.
Arey source IP address
10.1.
1.
10.1. What is the source IP address?
10.10.
10 dot
10.10.
10. It means
Router.
who will forward? This sub interface will rewrite this packet and forward this towards where? What is the destination? Target
10.1.
IP is.
This is a reply.
Not-
Not reply.
Are you getting my point? Everyone, yes or no? Tagging
Yes.
is
Yes.
same. There is no change in the tagging. Yes or no?
Yes.
Tell me.
Yes.
Yes, na? Okay. Now, this is the ARP packet. Yes, na, everyone? Tell me.
Yes.
What is the destination MAC address?
PC0.
41DE. 41?
DE.
Alright, 41DE, na?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. What is the this PC MAC address?
41D.
ARP my Yeah, 41D.
41D. Are clear na? Where what
Yes.
happened? I close it. What is this? ARP. ARP. Okay. Packet reach on this one. Now what router will do, guys? Array, what happened?
Reply.
Yes,
Just now,
router
Anderson.
will reply. See, how many packet you send? 4.
4.
How many you receive? 3. It means
3.
communication is
Happening.
Success.
full, na? Yes or no?
Yes.
Everyone.
Yes.
Tell me yes, na? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Understand? So basically, now what happened that time? Packet reach on the router. Router rewrite this packet, and again router forward this packet to the switch. Switch forward to the PC. PC send packet reach here. Again, then router will forward here. This is the flow. Is it clear? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Oof. Now, this is called, guys, router on.
Stick.
Stick.
The thing is, if we do not have a router, then how we can make communication possible? We can use
L3 switch.
one? Switch. Tell me multi-layer switch, na? Yes or no? We can
Yes.
use any
Yes.
multi-layer switch. For example, again, PC, this one. Here I configure, let's suppose the IP address what? Same IP address which we use that time, 192.168.10.1.
1.
This one, and default gateway, guys, same,
10.10.
10.10. It out. Here I will configure what? 20.1. Are you done na? Yes na?
Yes.
20.1, and here we will configure 20.10. Now, come on here on this switch. It visible na to all of you?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, first of all, what we need to do, we need to configure two VLAN, right? VLAN number 10, name is self exit. VLAN number 20, name is IT exit. Yes, everyone, tell me. Done na?
Yes.
Yes.
Now, here, guys, we need to perform the SVI. See, SVI means whatever the VLAN you created, you can assign the IP address to that VLAN. You can assign the IP address to that VLAN.
VLAN.
Are you getting my point? Yes or no? So, see, na,
Yes.
interface VLAN. Which VLAN we created, guys? VLAN number 10. Na?
10.
Okay. Now, IP address. What is the IP address? 192.168.10.10.
10.
255.255.255.0. No shutdown.
Shutdown.
Are you done? Yes or no? Tell me.
Yes.
Again, interface VLAN 20. What is the IP address? 192.168.10.10. 20 dot 10.
10.
10.
255.255.255.0. No. Oh, no shutdown.
No shutdown. Okay.
Now, how can you check? Show IP interface brief. Now, for VLAN number 10, we created this one. For VLAN number 20, we created this one. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Now, try to ping 192.168. 192.168.20.1 na? Yes or no?
Yes.
20.1. Press time out. Why request timeout?
So can we check the IP of the PC? I have doubt it's instead of 168, it is 169.
Sorry,
It
what?
wasn't- Instead of 168, it was 169, I think, PC's IP.
192,
8 or
168,
Yeah.
10.1, and here also
168.
We should
20.1.
create first. We should create first a VLAN to each interface.
Sorry, interface. Okay. Now it should work or not?
No, it will not work.
Tell me, it will work or not work?
No, it will not work.
Interface 192.168.10.10. Here we also configure the correct IP address. There is no problem. Yes or no?
Yes.
But why it is not working? You are telling fast Ethernet 0x1 and 0x2 both are up. There is no problem. Both are up.
Yes.
But the
Then-
both are connected to VLAN 1, not to VLAN 10 and 20.
Sorry, ports are connected
def-
to.
Per default, they are connected to VLAN 1.
Okay. You are telling interface fast Ethernet 0x1 switch port mode access switch port access VLAN number 10. Interface fast Ethernet 0x2 switch port mode access switch port access VLAN number 20.
VLAN
Switch
20.
port access VLAN number 20. Yes? Tell me.
Yes.
Yes, na?
Yes.
So,
Yep.
see, now fine? Tell me. Fine, na?
Yes.
Yes.
Anyone have any question, any doubt till now? No?
No.
No.
Now come on here. Now it will work or not? Wait for 30 seconds. Yes. Now tell me.
No, it will not work.
Reason.
Because first of all, we can make access. After that, we can assign VLAN 10.
What make access?
First of all, fast Ethernet 0 we can make access. Then we can
Fast Ethernet 0x1. I already make access.
In this scenario, encapsulation is not required, sir.
Encapsulation is not required. I am just asking to all of you guys. This is your homework. Today I am not
this
telling
is
you the answer. You guys need to find the solution. Right now, I'm just asking you whatever you guys are thinking. Just let me know. Whatever you guys will do, I will configure. Okay,
we
one
have
guys are
to
commenting,
encapsulate the
sir.
both of SPI interfaces.
Okay, wait a minute. One guys are telling, sir, configure the IP routing. Okay,
Dot,
IP routing. Done. Now try. Okay.
Yes, it will work.
Hmm. Tell me. You guys understand something? Yes or no? Whatever you guys told me, I configure. And whatever you guys told exactly, all are correct. But only one thing you guys are missing, that is called IP.
IP route.
What do you mean by this command? Anyone who can explain me? Tell me, what is the use?
To route the packets from one network to another network.
to route the VLANs.
It can enable the
Basically,
routing.
anyone? Any different answer? Basically, na, the thing is, whenever you are writing the IP routing command na, on any layer 3 switch, okay, basically it is what it is doing, it is just enabling the routing function.
Routing.
What?
Mhm.
Routing function. So that's the reason your L3 switch now route the traffic between the different VLAN or even the different subnet. Try to understand PC number 8 and PC number 9. Both are in the same subnet or different subnet?
Different subnet.
Different
subnet.
subnet, na? So if you
Yes.
want to connect with the different subnet, you need the layer 3 device, that is router. Yes or no? But you are
Yes.
using the
Yes.
switch. So it means if you want to make communication possible in the different subnet, you need either router. But right now you are not using router. So if you are using the switch, you need to allow the routing feature, na? Yes or no? And tell me,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
you need to enable the routing
Routing.
feature. So that is the command IP routing. By default, no IP routing is running. By default, no IP routing is running. It means routing is not allowed or not
Allowed.
enabled. So you have to enable it manually. Getting my point? Everyone.
Yes.
Yes, but in router, sir, it is enabled
Yes,
automatically.
on router is a layer 3 device. So by default, it is enabled.
Enabling.
Mhm.
Done? Everyone.
Yes.
Now,
Got it.
this is your task, guys. Everyone, you have to perform these two labs in your packet tracer also. Clear? Everyone.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is all about the inter-VLAN routing. Okay, I think, write some command here. VLAN number 10. This is the VLAN number 20. Configuration command. How to assign the ports in the VLAN, right? We already written here. Trunk port. Okay. Guys, one more thing. Whenever you are configuring the trunk port, na, let's suppose on fast Ethernet 0 by 0, 0 by 1, I write what? Switch port mode,
Trunk.
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 And I show you, na, every VLAN is by default allowed there. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Right, na? But in real scenarios, we are not doing like this.
This
We are only allow the VLAN which you configure on the switch.
which we want to configure.
Getting my point? So this is the command. Switch port trunk allowed VLAN.
VLAN 10.
VLAN
20.
10.
This is the command. Switch port trunk allowed VLAN. And whatever the VLAN you want to allow, you can write the VLAN ID. Are you clear, everyone? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes.
No.
Shubham.
Yes.
In SPI, it's routing, and there is no need to enable a trunking mode. This,
In SBI, no. In SBI, why you need the trunking? You just enable the routing feature, that's enough. You do not need to configure the
okay.
trunk and all.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
What if we have a L2 switch in between?
Sorry?
If we have L2 switch in between end users and L3 switch.
You are telling, let's suppose we have a L3 switch and again you configure L2 switch, then you configure PC1 and PC number 2. This one.
Yes. Yes. Do we need
Everyone.
trunking here?
Okay, this is your homework again.
Okay.
Yeah, in
So
this
that
case,
will-
we should enable trunk.
Exactly.
And
You guys
enable
can
trunk
try
on
this.
both sides.
You guys can try this lab also, but okay, try and let me know tomorrow what you guys
Sure.
do and what you guys find. Try to find the solution, guys.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting my point, everyone?
Yes.
Try to make communication possible here. If not possible, then try nothing. Configure these port in the VLAN, configure this one as the trunk, everything, enable the routing feature, then try. Okay, everyone. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
And
sir.
this is the command. I already told you how we can enable the sub interface on the router. Clear? Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
So this is the command. This is the command. These things. Yes, I think I already mentioned here also. First, configure the both VLAN number 10 and 20 here. Okay, assign the ports according to the VLAN. Yes, we already did this one now, everyone. Configure
Yes.
the IP address on the switch. Yes, according to the VLAN now. VLAN number 10 we configure this one. VLAN number 20 we configure this one. Everything we
Yes.
did. Only this thing are missing. That's the reason
IP
communication was not happening. So what I did, I just enable the routing. Are you getting my point? Yes or no? Understand?
Yes.
So I already mentioned everything here. Clear?
What about management VLAN?
Management VLAN. Okay. See, generally when you work in the real time scenario, I am telling you my experience. Okay. If we are talking about the real time scenario now, the first thing please remember, by default which VLAN is configured on the switch, guys? VLAN number 1.
VLAN 1.
One.
And all the interface is a part of VLAN number 1. Agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
I already show you even you can't delete the VLAN number 1, even you can't rename the VLAN number 1. Yes? Right?
Yes.
Huh? Okay. But
Yes.
in some switches, in advanced switches, you can set. You can set the VLAN number 1.
1.
Are you getting my point? Let me check here. I do not check. Let me check. Can I set here also? Yes or no? I never check here. What is VLAN number?
1.
VLAN number 1.
No, sir. There is no command.
Not working. Interface VLAN number 1. Generally, we are doing like this. What we are doing, guys, we are just shut down the VLAN number 1. The reason is because of the security reason. Because you know, everyone aware about the VLAN number 1. Are you getting my point? Yes or no?
Oh, yes.
So that's the reason generally we are shut down all the VLAN. Now, second thing, we create 3 types of VLAN. First, native VLAN, management VLAN, unused VLAN. So these are the basic VLAN in real scenario you guys will get. The first thing, unused VLAN. For example, this is the switch and this switch is implemented on one floor. And in this floor, let's suppose 25 users are sitting. So it means how many ports you are using, guys? 25 ports you are using here, right? And all the 25 ports are, let's suppose, is a part of VLAN 179. How many ports rest, guys? Around 20-22 ports are rest na. It means these ports are unused. Yes or no? Yes, na everyone. And you already shut down the VLAN number 1. Are you getting my point? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So in real scenario, what you guys will do, you guys will create any random VLAN. It depends upon company to company. For example, you create VLAN number
100.
998. This is the VLAN. And the name of this VLAN is unused. So what you have to do? You have to move all the unused port in part of which VLAN? 1998.
Yeah.
Getting my point? Everyone, tell me. Clear?
Yes.
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 Now the next is management VLAN. Management VLAN you can understand like this. Only understand like this. For example, this is the switch. On this switch, I configure the management VLAN. And on this management VLAN, what we will do? We will enable everything. For example, SSH. For example, you are working in remote. So by the help of this IP address, even in the management VLAN, let's suppose I configure VLAN number 110. And in management VLAN, we will configure any IP address 10.0.0.10. So if you are working from the home, you can easily take the remote of your switch by the help of this IP address which you configure in the management VLAN. Management VLAN is just like manage the thing. Manage the thing. Clear, everyone? And native VLAN we will discuss in the next class when I will explain you the trunking. Clear, everyone? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So these things we discussed, guys, today.